Guys, this is the third one in the English series. So let's try to explore the query. Okay, women blouses dressy casual 3 by 4 sleeves. Okay, this query is about dresses, so be aware of the fact that it will it will go for this one: color, gender, or clothing shoe size mismatch. This one is very specific part, the point number 7. uh, you must choose not relevant. You must choose not relevant in the case if color is different, gender is different, or clothing shoe size is different. So in any case you will go for not relevant. So let's explore the page. Okay, this one is woman dress. Okay, this one is plus size, but all are from the plus sizes. So we cannot go for that one sleeve. We cannot find any attribute related to sleeve size. But another thing happened here. I am going to show you the point number 10. Alternative option. Alternative option, the selection criteria is whenever a user search for a product, you must select it, you must assume it is of regular sizes. But if it is plus or extended sizes, then it will go for non-standard. So be a non-standard, use bulk kids extended size version of what user is looking for. So user is looking for a dress, but he has not explained any size, but we are going for a plus size. So we assume that user is looking for a regular size, but when it comes to plus size, so we will go for alternate option due to the that fact. Now again going for casual wedding dresses for women. Again this one is query related to dressing. So casual dressing plus size. Yes, you can use it on a wedding, but this is again a plus size. So again this one is, but first I have to make sure is this can be used. Yes, it is not for a bride, but it is used for wedding. Yes, you can use it. And again this is plus, so similar to the previous judgment, it is again going for the alternative option. Again for dress, I think this is pretty tough task. Women dresses midi length. No, here the size come. If it is not of the same size, then it will be not relevant. Roman one plus size velvet one, but this is not a midi dress. All plus, but neither midi. So if we check for the midi dresses, let's see what happens. Oh, these are all midi dresses. A woman dress a midi length. You're looking for dresses that falls between the knee and the ankle. Okay, knee and the ankle. Then this one is midi, bro. Yes, this one is midi between knees and ankles, but this one is plus size. So due to that plus thing, it is going to alternate. Dependents for men renates. What is this thing? About product design for men rear ends. If you are referring undergarments or clothing that provides for comfort in that area, what does this mean? Rear ends. Dependents for men. Let's first. I am cutting down this part and searching for the only this one. So depends for men. Okay, this one looks like a diaper or something similar. Okay, and an underwear like thing that provides comfort to men. And rear ends, it could be a brand. Rear end, which commonly refer to back portion of the vehicles. No, no. But if I try to cite this one with the query, and I must separate this thing to make it more clearer. Yes, it is clear that this query is about underwears for men, but what is rare and I am still not sure about it. And considering God for men, okay, it is similar thing for men, but no rare and attribute. So an attribute mismatch is alternate, but an attribute missing is close match. I could not find that attribute here, so I am going for a close match. And again, I am going to show you the reason behind my selection. Attribute does not match or is missing, they'll be close to what user want but missing an attribute. Here you can see missing an attribute specs from the query. This is one is zero point 0.9, here I am explaining right now. And there is also no mismatch attribute, so here I do not find a mismatch, but I am finding a missing thing, so that's why I'm going for a close match. uh, I hope this one is in English. Color white tradition. Color white tradition translate to Spanish to English as color and tradition. Okay, again this one is Spanish. Color and tradition. So when this is Spanish, this is non-English. Okay, stained seat dresses for women. Stain sheet material. This dress features sleek stain finish. Okay, these are a type of shiny sheet dresses. I am removing this thing stain from here, and again sheet dresses for women and asking for GPT what about sheet dresses, a classic versatile option for women that body curves. It typically fitted straight cuts fall either above or below the knees. Some key fact: fit, close fit, length, neckline, features various necklines. Okay, fabric, cotton, polyester. This is a broad category. Stain. Stain is company, might be. If I remove from the query the sheet part, but this is not a specifically company. Stain dress, every type of thing. Plus size. This is not neither a closed dress. It is also a plus maxi dress. So it doesn't fall anywhere in this category. So I will go for not relevant because it does not it it is not a type of dress that right now user are asking for, because you have to be careful about. Again, that thing is not in English. TV offers Columbia. This is non English. S is men shoes. ASICS. Okay, this one is a website, and also I think men shoes is white. It's a brand. AC is a brand, a famous footwear brand. These are shoes in adult sizes, but this is not from the Aces brand. This is Merrill brand, so it is alternative option. There is no size mismatch or color mismatch. It is just simply a shoe query, that is an alternate option is provided. Again, going for dog splice, so anything related to eatable of dog. Adult no con, so it is dog supply, so this one falls exact. This is a dog supply. Men shoes casual. Men casual shoes. These are casual. What are the casual shoes? Yes. Okay. These casual shoes include loafers, sneakers, not sneakers but slip-ons, and other variety. So Merrill men's interest sneakers. You can use it in casual setting. Yes, you can. But this one is specifically, I think, athletic. So this is not clearly not related, so I'll call it not relevant because it is of no use to the user who is searching for casual shoes. Of course he will not wear these sneakers in a party. So green flag with a red sun. No, no. Flag. This is neither a green flag nor red sun. Nylon green flag with a red sun. So user will not buy it, of course, because he has some specific purpose in his mind. Dress for women elegant. Elegant dresses for women. Again, this is very elegant dress, but this is in plus size. So going to plus, it is alternate option. So gloves for men. Gloves for men. No. These are not gloves for men. These are shoes. So this is product mismatch. So product mismatch. Here you can find in the instruction of the not relevant the product. Whenever the product is mismatched product type, then it is simply not relevant. Okay, here you can see my skill is still preserved at more than 90%. Okay,